Getting your children involved when you're deciding the weekly menu is really important. It's nice to get their buy-in and they get really involved in the process. Now this next recipe is my daughter's favorite. She loves it. At any given point in time, I can make this for her and she's gonna have a good time. We're going to make baked potato wedges. This is a very simple dish. I have 2 large to medium-sized potatoes. They're parboiled and they've been cut into wedges. Now I'm going to add this to a bowl. Add some mixed herbs. I have 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs. I have 1 teaspoon of pepper, which I'm going to add to this. Just sprinkle it liberally and sprinkle some salt over it. And all I have to do now is just toss it to make sure that the pepper and the salt gets onto the potatoes really well. And now I'm going to add our star ingredient. About 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup go into this. And this is going to help it marinate and give it a nice coating. It's going to be a sweet coating to the pepper. And toss it a bit. So see, it's as simple as that. I'm not even using my hands. So now the wedges are well coated in the mix, and I'm going to now take a baking dish, put about 1 tablespoon of oil in it, and place the wedges onto the baking dish. It doesn't take too long to make, and all the ingredients are typically what you have in your kitchen. So I have all the wedges now in the baking dish. I'm going to sprinkle some parsley on top of it, which is finely chopped. Now if you don't have parsley at home, just use some chopped coriander leaves and that's fine. And I'm going to add some cheese. This is the normal processed cheese that you have. And I have the OTG on at about 220 degrees centigrade. I'm going to put the baking dish into the OTG. So here's the baked potato. So we're going to now put this in our tiffin box, but before that we're going to add the fruit and some dry fruits. So in it goes some kiwi and watermelon today. And some walnuts. And I'm going to now put the baked potatoes in. This is really yum. You can actually put a little paprika if you want, depending on the spice levels. I hope your child enjoys this recipe. For more of these, please subscribe to India Food Network and do share your comments and suggestions.